Alright, this game is called Zone Mitten, and it's a badminton rendition of a netball game. So here are the standards for 7th grade. They should be able to execute a legal serve to a predetermined target. They should execute a variety of offensive and defensive tactics to create open space. Employ a variety of appropriate dynamic and static stretching techniques, engaging all major muscle groups. They apply responsible social behaviors by cooperating with classmates, demonstrating inclusive behaviors, and supporting classmates. They should also formulate positive strategies when faced with a group challenge. So this is how the game works. So the court is split up into 3 zones with 3 different numerical values. So this whole zone is 3 points, this is 1 point, then this is 2 points. The game is played like normal badminton. There's going to be one person on each side, and one person will serve and take turns. The goal for this game is for the students to strike to different zones to score points. So the student should be able to strike at different zones to try to be a defensive player as long as an offensive player. So if the birdie lands in zone 2 without the other person touching it, that's how many points that person gets, is 2 points. And the first person to 5 wins. Here's a little quiz that I made up just to test their badminton knowledge. And you can add or subtract from this, whichever one you'd like to do.